Welcome to our video on PHP, or Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP is a programming language that is widely used for web development and can be integrated with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create dynamic and interactive websites. PHP code is executed on the server side, meaning that it runs on the web server rather than on the client's browser. This allows for faster processing and more secure data handling. One of the main benefits of PHP is that it is open source and free to use, making it accessible to developers of all skill levels. It is also compatible with many different operating systems and web servers, including Windows, Mac, and Linux. PHP is commonly used to create dynamic web pages, access databases, and handle form submissions. It can also be used for tasks such as sending email, creating PDFs, and generating images. Many popular content management systems, such as WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal, are built using PHP. This means that if you're looking to create a website or blog using one of these platforms, you'll likely need to know some PHP. Overall, PHP is a powerful and versatile programming language that is widely used in web development. Its open source nature and compatibility with many platforms make it accessible to developers of all skill levels, and its ability to create dynamic web pages, access databases, and handle form submissions make it a great choice for many types of web projects.